Good day everyone, mabuhay. I'm John Melvin Ilombak from BSHM Section 1. According to the Stanley Flag, tourists can be classified in the three main types based on personality and behavior. The first one, allocentric tourists. They are adventurous and love exploring unfamiliar areas, visit and even remote destination. They are enjoy and challenge new culture and unique experience. Example, a solo backpacker travel to remote mountain in Mindanao, staying in homestay and eating local food without hesitation. The second one is the psychocentric tourist. They are prefer comfort, safety and familiar place. They are avoid sick and usual return the same destination. Example, a travel who always book package tours to Boracay, staying in luxury resort and eat in food chain they are already know. And the last one is the mid-centric tourist. They are they are they are between an allocentric and psychocentric. They enjoy both adventure and comfort depending on the situation. Example, a person who like to explore Cebu City heritage site, Magellan's Cross, Basilica del Santo Niño, but also enjoy relaxing in Mactan Resort. Reflection as a mid-centric. I consider myself a mid-centric tourist because I am enjoying in balance of adventure and comfort, love exploring a new place and learn about culture, but also want the uh, assurance of safety and convenience. For the example, uh, when travel, I don't mind visiting hiding spot like waterfalls or local market, but at the end of the day I prefer to stay at comfortable accommodation. Being mid-centric allows me to experience the thrill or discover without giving up the relaxation and security that makes travel enjoyable.